I love this one. Goals. If money wasn't an option, what would you do? I mean, would you go to class every week? Would you take a voice lesson one week, a vocal coaching the next week, and rotate? Would you go to Pilates every day? Would you go to yoga once a week? What would you do if money wasn't an option? What would you do? The reason I started survival jobs for actors was because there were so many options out there I didn't take advantage of and blew through my savings. But I found the biggest struggle was trying to balance between trying to make money to survive and then having the free time available to go to auditions and having money available to take those classes that I wanted to take and pay off my credit card in full each month. So, if money wasn't an option, what would you do? Go ahead and write down what would your day look like. I would wake up in the morning, brew a cup of coffee, make an omelet, and meditate for 30 minutes. Or I would do a run first thing, come home, and write my goals. And I would then go to my audition, go to a dance class in the afternoon, and then go out to dinner with friends at night. Like, literally, what would your day look like? So I just want you to live in that and set a timer on your phone for 5 minutes at least. And just write in your journal, write. What would your day look like if money wasn't an option? Okay.